Annie's gone riding on a black mare, rings on her fingers and stars in her hair. The moon's a white schooner gliding by, high overhead in the May sky. And it's jingle, jingle, the bridle bells ring. She's a fine lady, the fairy boy sings. And jingle, wherever she rides, sings the good fellow who bides at her side. Sings pretty Robin in velvet and green, forsworn to the favor of the elven queen. Lack-a-day, lack-a-day, the bridal bells say, gone away, year and a day. Down in the meadow a brown hare skips by, dancing a jig with the moon in her eye. Come follow, she sways to the tune. Follow the path of the elven moon. And it's jingle, jingle, the bridal bells ring. Oh no, my pretty maid, the fairy boys sing. Jangle, jingle, beware her brown hair. The moon's in her eyes, spur on your black mare. Sings pretty Robin in velvet and green, forsworn to the favor of the elven queen. Lack-a-day, lack-a-day, the bridal bells moan. Ride away, back to your home. Deep in the forest the red fox smiled, bound to the grey queen, bewitched and beguiled. By moonlight, by starlight, by the May vow, come follow to my lady's bower. And it's jingle,